Boost your income. After 50. Comprehensive Guide to Online Earning Opportunities. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on earning money online for those over 50. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, ease off physical labor, or even retire early, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into 3 lucrative opportunities: online surveys, focus groups, and product testing. These methods can help you earn money from the comfort of your home, giving you more financial flexibility and a more comfortable life. So let's get started. Let's begin with online surveys, a popular and accessible way to earn money online. 1. Online surveys. Online surveys are questionnaires that companies use to gather consumer opinions. They're willing to pay for your thoughts, and getting started's easier than you might think. Getting started. 1. Sign up on reputable sites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. 2. Create detailed profiles on multiple sites to increase your chances of qualifying for surveys. 3. Be honest about your demographics. Companies are often looking for specific age groups, and being over 50 can be an advantage. B. Maximizing your earnings. 1. Check your email or the survey sites daily for new opportunities. 2. Complete surveys promptly. Some have quotas that fill up quickly. 3. Aim for consistency. Try to complete a few surveys each day. 4. Look for higher-paying surveys, which often require more time but offer better rewards. Payout methods. 1. Most sites offer payments via PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfers. 2. Be aware of minimum payout thresholds. Some sites require you to earn a certain amount before cashing out. D. Potential earnings. 1. While individual surveys might pay only $0 to $5, dedicated users can earn $100 $300 per month. 2. Some sites offer bonuses for consistent participation or for reaching certain milestones. Now let's move on to focus groups, which can be more engaging and often more lucrative than surveys. 1. Focus groups. Focus groups involve participating in discussions about products, services, or concepts. Companies value the insights of our age group, making this an excellent opportunity for those over 50. Finding opportunities. 1. Register with reputable companies like focusgroup.com, findfocusgroups.com, or Fieldwork. 2. Look for both online and in-person opportunities in your area. 3. Check local classified ads or community boards for local focus group recruitment. Types of focus groups and in-person groups, typically held at research facilities. 2. Online video groups conducted via platforms like Zoom. 3. Phone interviews, one-on-one discussions with researchers. 4. Multi-day studies. These can involve testing products over time. Preparation and participation. 1. Be prepared to share your honest opinions and experiences. 2. Practice articulating your thoughts clearly. 3. Arrive on time and follow all instructions carefully. 4. Engage actively in discussions without dominating the conversation. Compensation. 1. Focus groups typically pay more than surveys, often $50 $300 for a session. 2. Some specialized or longer studies can pay even more. 3. Payment is usually made immediately after the session, often in cash or gift cards. Frequency. 1. While you can't participate in focus groups as often as surveys, aim to do 1 or 2 per month if possible. Our third opportunity is product testing, which not only pays but often allows you to keep the products you test. 1. Product testing. Product testing involves trying out new or existing products and providing detailed feedback. It's a great way to earn money, get free items, and influence the products that come to market. Getting started. 1. Sign up on sites like Product Testing USA, Beezy's Agent, or Taluna. 2. Create a detailed profile highlighting your interests and experiences. 3. Some companies specialize in certain product categories, so sign up for multiple sites. B. Types of product testing. 1. Home use tests. Test products in your own home over a while. 2. Controlled environment tests, conducted in a research facility. 3. Online or app testing. Evaluate websites or mobile applications. 4. Food and beverage testing. Taste and review new food products. The testing process. 1. You'll receive the product and instructions for testing. 2. Use the product as directed and take notes on your experience. 3. Provide detailed, honest feedback through surveys or written reports. 4. Some tests may require photos or videos of you using the product. Compensation. 1. Compensation varies widely depending on the product and time commitment. 2. Some tests offer cash payments, typically $10 to $100 per test. 3. Others compensate with free products, which can be valuable for high-end items. 4. Occasionally, long-term or high-value product tests can pay $500 or more. Frequency and availability. 1. Product testing opportunities are less frequent than surveys, but more common than focus groups. 2. Aim to participate in 1 or 2 product tests per month. Now that we've covered these 3 great opportunities, let's discuss some general tips to maximize your earnings and stay safe online. General tips. 1. Create a dedicated email address for your online earning activities to keep opportunities organized and separate from personal emails. 2. Set a schedule. Dedicate specific times each day or week to these activities. 2. Consistency is key to maximizing your earnings. 3. Keep detailed records of your earnings and the time you spend. 3. This will help you focus on the most profitable opportunities. 4. Be patient. Building up your earnings takes time. 4. Don't get discouraged if you don't see big payouts immediately. 5. Protect your personal information. Legitimate opportunities won't ask for sensitive data like your social security number or bank account details. 6. Beware of scams. If an opportunity sounds too good to be true, it probably is. 6. Research companies before participating. 7. Join online communities or forums where people share tips and experiences about online earning opportunities. 8. Consider using a separate bank account or PayPal account for your earnings to keep your finances organized. Try to incorporate these activities into your daily routine. Even an hour a day can add up to a significant supplemental income over time. Let's look at a potential schedule. 1. Morning, check and complete 2-3 short surveys, 30 minutes. 2. Afternoon, look for new product testing opportunities, 15 minutes. 3. Evening, participate in a longer survey or online focus group, 45 minutes. Remember, while these opportunities won't replace a full-time income, they can provide a steady stream of extra money. This could help you work less at your physical job, save for an earlier retirement, or simply enjoy some extra comforts in life. Let's look at some potential earnings. If you consistently engage in these activities, you might earn 1. Surveys, $100, $300 per month. 2. Focus groups, $100, $400 per month. 3. Product testing, $50, $200 per month, plus free products. That's a potential total of $250, $900 extra per month. Of course, earnings can vary, but this gives you an idea of what's possible with dedication and consistency. We hope this comprehensive guide helps you on your journey to financial comfort. Remember, the key is to start small, be consistent, and gradually increase your involvement as you become more comfortable with these opportunities. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most of your golden years. Until next time, happy earning.